A warm welcome to all the students in your new lesson. Lesson number 5, our Earth's natural satellite. Our Earth's natural satellite. For this, everybody come to page number 217. Student, you already know these things that Earth revolves around the sun and moon revolves around the earth. Again, I am repeating this statement. Earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. So, moon is the Earth's natural satellite. Moon is the Earth's natural satellite. You know what is satellite? Satellite is an object which revolves around the planets. Satellite is an object which revolves around the planets. Second thing, जब आप छोटे थे आपने एक चीज़ सुनी होगी, चंदा मामा दूर के पुए पकाए बूर के. Now today we are discussing about this moon. Why does the moon shine? Surface of the moon. Why life is not exist on the moon? These all the questions I will give you the answer in this lesson. Why does the moon shine? The full moon is the brightest heavenly body in the night sky. It does not have its own light, but it shines because it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. This is the basic thing, that's why moon shines. The surface of the moon. Which type of surface is present on the moon? The surface of the moon is uneven and rough. Uneven and rough. It is made up of plants and huge mountains. The big round holes are called craters. Craters on the moon. These craters are formed when pieces of rocks called meteoroids dash into the moon's surface, then craters form. These are the hollow structure. These are the craters. These are the craters. Then everybody turn the page and come to 218. On the moon is covered with the dark grey dust. The dark grey dust present on the moon's surface and the hollow structures also present, that is known as craters. Why there is no life on the moon? Anybody knows about these things? Why there is no life on the moon? The earth is surrounded by a special type of layer that is known as atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a thick blanket, it is known as atmosphere. And this atmosphere is not present on the moon. Earth is surrounded by the atmosphere and this atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays which is coming from the sun. So, earth is protected by this atmosphere. Then, there is no air or water on the moon. So, life cannot exist there. The moon's gravity is the 1/6 of the earth's gravity. The moon's gravity is the 1/6 of the earth's gravity. तो जो चीज़ आप अर्थ पर उठा नहीं सकते हैं, you can easily lift that type of object on the moon. Okay, then in the absence of air, no sound can be heard on the moon because there is no air, there is no atmosphere, that's why there is no life on the moon. Landing on the moon. The third topic, landing on the moon. The American spacecraft Apollo 11 landed successfully on the moon on 21 July 1969. Who was stepped on the moon first time? the Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin stepped on the moon, first one, and the Michael Collins, the third astronauts, remained in the spacecraft to circle the moon and keep in touch with the earth. This is all about the moons. That what is satellite? Satellite is an object which revolves around the planet, and the surface of the moon that's uneven and rough. There is no life on the moon. Everybody come to page number 219. There is checkpoint. The first one, everybody tick the answer, that satellite is an object which revolves around a planet. Everybody tick satellite. Second one, the craters on the surface of the moon are formed by the piece of rocks called meteoroids. Third one, Michael Collins did not step on the moon's surface. Student, this is all about the part 1, and remaining things I will give you in the another video, in another part. Okay, so take care yourself. Bye.